Hello, this is a comparison microscope manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. A comparison microscope can observe two objects with an eyepiece at the same time. Using field cutting, jointing, and overlapping methods, two or more objects can be compared together. This comparison microscope has clear image, high resolution, and can identify tiny differences between objects accurately. It is basically used in forensic science, police schools, and related departments. These are also used in geology, metallurgy, mineralogy, and chemical microscopy. This is available as a standalone unit or also has an option to attach a digital camera and screen to it for easy examination and comparison of two samples. This comparison microscope combines latest optomechanical developments in light microscopy. It makes possible the comparison of two samples simultaneously under one eyepiece. It comprises of two microscopes mounted on a single heavy base with built-in light mechanisms. There are three different lights available for each microscope: a transmitted light, a reflected light, and a surface light. Both the set of lights are available for both the microscopes. Both the microscopes are provided with quadruple revolving nose pieces, coarse and fine focusing knobs, 120 into 120 mm mechanical stage, incident light for opaque objects, and spot lamp for papers are also provided for different applications. Two simultaneous images of the objects under examination, separated by a thin line, are observed side by side in the field of view through a monocular tube. As you can see that now we have replaced the eyepiece with a digital camera and screen on this comparison microscope. Using this knob provided, we can shift the view from left microscope to the right microscope or both the views together on the screen. I will demonstrate here. We are shifting the view to the other microscope. As of now, we have placed two biological slides on these two microscopes, and the view is captured on this screen via a digital camera. We can shift the view from left microscope to the right microscope using this knob provided, or we can, for comparison purpose, we can place both the views half and half on the screen. This allows easy comparison of samples under study. The microscope has a well-designed casted body, quadruple ball bearing nose pieces, coaxial low drive XY mechanical stage for easy and smooth movement. It has condenser NA 1.25 with diaphragm, separate coarse and fine focusing knobs for both the microscopes. Objectives are 4x or 5x, 10x, 40x, and 100x. Eyepiece is wide field 10x, which can be replaced by a digital camera and a screen. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this comparison microscope. Thank you.